covering the First Coast. From the beaches, the springs, and all in between. This is Jax News Now in high definition.
Good evening, everyone, and welcome to Jax News Now. I'm Jake Pickering. This is our abbreviated Christmas Eve newscast, as we want everyone, including Jax News Now staffers, to enjoy their holidays. Let's go to Nick Lilly now with the forecast.
And thank you, Jake. We're going to head into your Jax News Now weather forecast. Now, just for Christmas Day here on our abbreviated newscast this evening, we're looking at temperatures of about 65 degrees for your Christmas Day, preceding Old Man Winter's return to the First Coast. We're not looking at any rain actually until the evening, so that's why we give you some partly cloudy skies. Our winds are going to be increasing though out of the north as the day goes on. That's when we're going to be seeing our cold front and our coastal storm off there in the northeast approaching us. And that's why our temperatures are going to drop into the 40s for highs the day after Christmas. Make sure you're bundled up for any of your after Christmas shopping. You like nutcrackers, German nutcrackers? I do myself, so you can get this from Dillard's. And I'll be waiting out there in line down in Central Florida, and here on the First Coast it will be even colder. Jake, back to you.
Thank you, Nick. We have one programming note to tell you about. Our next and final show of 2010 will be Friday, December 31st for our annual New Year's Eve special. So stay tuned for that. And on that note, I want to wish all of our viewers out there very Merry Christmas, and if you have any travel plans, make sure you stay safe on all of your ventures. We'll see you back here next week. Good night.